आपको क्या पता यहाँ कुर्सी पे जो बैठा हुआ है वो? You know that Iblis teaches Quran also? You don't know? Iblis teaches Quran. You know the famous story in Sahih al-Bukhari that Abu Huraira on the 27th of Ramadan, he was distributing Zakatul Fitr. You know, people brought a lot of food and grains, and so he had piles of food and grains and dates, and he was distributing. So Iblis came in the shape of a human being, and he started crying. And he requested Abu Huraira, I have a lot of children, I am hungry, I need. So Abu Huraira gave. And then what he did, he, without asking Abu Huraira, he started taking. You know, he taking. Abu Huraira grabbed his head, said, without asking me why did you take? Then he started crying. I'm a poor man. Okay, he said, take it. And Abu Huraira reported to Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in the night that today a man came and he took without asking me, then he was crying, I gave. So Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, he's a liar and he will come tomorrow again. So next day he came. And then he started crying and weeping, and I have children, I am needy. So he gave second time and he reported to Rasulullah. He said he is a liar, he will come on the third day. So he came on 27th and he came on 28th of Ramadan and he came on 29th of Ramadan. And the last day of Ramadan, he said, Abu Huraira, you are a very, very kind man. You have given me the food, 3 consequent days you gave me. So I want to do a favor also. And he said, I am going to teach you a dua, a supplication. So whenever shaitan bothers you, you say Ayat al-Kursi. Allahu la ilaha illa huwa la qayyum. So he recited Ayat al-Kursi. He recited the whole Quran. Ayat al-Kursi, the whole ayah of the Quran. So he is very clever. Yeah.
He didn't run away when he was reading the Quran?
Then he disappeared. Yes.
So is this proof, Sheikh, that the big shaitan isn't chained in Ramadan?
Yes, of course. Of course. That's what I said on the other day. Sulsilati shayateen. Sulsilati shayateen, the small ones are chained, not the big ones. And some of them, not all of them. Okay. Idda means count. Wahsul idda. If you divorce your wife, start counting 90 days, 3 months, 90 days.
It says counting.
Idda, no, count.
Count.
Number. Bid'un means from 3 to 9. Bid'u sinin. 3 to 9 are called bid'un. It could be any number. This is special for Arabic. Nafarun and bid'un. 3 to 9. Zuzazi. Zuzazi means one who is possessing. For example, write down somewhere on the side, Zul Qurba, Zal Qurba, Zil Qurba. Zu Malin, Za Malin, Zi Malin means one who is having mal. Yes. Yes, that, Zu, Zi. And the feminine of Zu is that. Zata Yawmin. We read the hadith in Bukhari, Zata Yawmin, one day. Zata Yawmin.
Zata is
One lady. Who is Zatun Naqa? ذات الناقة. Huh?
Two belts or
ناقتين ذات الناقتين.
Asma?
Asma bint Abu Bakr. She was given a name. Asma, you know the daughter of Abu Bakr. Asma bintu Abi Bakr. She is called Zatun Naqatayn. ناقتين ناقتين ذات الناقتين. ناقة means belt. ناقة belt. So ناقتين, two belts. ذات الناقتين means a lady with two belts. أسماء بنت أبي بكر. أسماء بنت أبي بكر. ذات الناقتين ذات الناقتين.
What is the meaning of Naqatayn?
Belt. नाका, I wrote here. नाका belt. Belt. तस्मा कहते हैं ना, उर्दू में लिख लें तस्मा.
Zat is like the feminine version of Zazu.
And zawat is plural of zat. Like in the Quran, zawata afnan. Zawatani afnan. The trees in the paradise, they will have lot of branches, green, mudhammatan, lush green, blackish green, beautiful. Ulu qurba, ulul amr, ulul albab. You see, very common in Quran. Ulul albab means ulul albab, wise people. Ulul albabi, ulul amr, ulul al amri, ulul albabi, ulul amri, ulul nuha. It is also in the Quran. Nuha, ulul nuha.
Ulul is people.
Yeah, possessors, one who keep this quality. Albab means wisdom, those who are having wisdom, people of wisdom, those who are holding wisdom. Are you among ulul albab? Yes, okay. Okay. Ma'a means with. For example, yes.
Are Dhu and Ulu related, or is it the same? Or
Ulu and Uli?
No, Dhu and Ulu. Is it like singular, plural, or is it?
They are the same.
Okay.
Zal qurba, ulul qurba. Both are the same. Ma'a. See, ma'a is mudaf. Ma'al muttaqeen, ma'al muhsinin, ma'allahi. Ma'a is mudaf, with Allah. In the company of Allah. Inna Allah ma'al muttaqeen. Ma'al muttaqeen, ma'al muhsinin.
Ma means with?
With, yeah, ma'a. Ma'iyyat, company. Ma'iyya means company. Fawqa means top.
Fawqa means?
Top.
Top.
فوق فوق راس فوق البيت. Tahta is under. Tahta shajara, yes. And qabla means before. And bada means after. Hawla Haul has many meanings. Haul, number one, hawla, ear, 1 year, 1 year. Hawlan, 2 years. Hawlaini kamilain. The mother should feed for 2 complete years. Hawlan. And haul also means power. And actually haul means also the circulation. So zakat is obligation after passing the whole circle of 355 days, 1 year. Hawlan, hawl, 1 complete year. Khalfa, behind. Wara'a, behind also. This is wara al-hijab. Wara al-hijab. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala spoke to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam behind a curtain. There was a hijab. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not see Allah, but Allah spoke to him. Allah spoke to Musa alayhi salatu also. Wara hijab. Amama, front. Quddama, also front. Inda, near. Ladai, near. Ada, except. Siwa is also except. Duna has many meanings. Duna means dunillah, other than, inferior, superior. For example, Babid dunihima jannatan. So I shall give you 2 gardens. And Allah said, liman khafa maqama rabbih jannatan. Who is, who is the fear of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he will get 2 gardens. Then, وَمِن دُونِهِمَا جَنَّةً. And I will give 2 more, so they will make 4. 2 plus 2. Other than those 2, min dunihima means 2 more gardens, additional gardens, or it also means 2 superior gardens. Dun also means inferior gardens. Min dunillah. Min dunillah is used more than 60 times in Quran. Very important. Dunillahi. Dun, whenever comes dun, it will make the next word majroor. Dunillahi. Dunil mu'minin. Min dunil mu'minin. Ruba. Rubama yawaddu allazina kafar. Ruba means rubba or ruba. Close. Mislu, like, example. Mislu. Nahvam also means example or like. Shibha also, Shibha means resembling. Subhan. Subhan is also, Subhanallah, is also used always as a mudaf. Subhanallahi. Ghayru also, like Ghayrul Maqdub, Ghayrul Dallin, Ghayrullahi, Ghayru, Ghayra, Ghayri. And all the numbers from 3 to 10. Thalathatun, Thalatha, Arba, Khamsa, Sitta, Sab'a, Tamaniya, Tisa. From 3 to 9. All these numbers come as mudaf. For example, Thalatha, Ashar. So 13. Thalathatu, Ashar. Thalathatu, Arba'atu, Ashar. 14, 15, 16. Okay, now go to the next page. Summary of relative compound. This we are talking about Murakkab Idafi. Murakkab Idafi, summary. Very important.
Aishara is also by Munsarif?
Aisha. Yes.
Aishara.
Yes.
Oh,
We have a lesson about
Munsarif.
yes. The construct state is the compound of two nouns in which the two or more nouns. Write down there, make amendment, two or more nouns. In which the first noun is called the first annexing noun. First annexing noun is mudaf, right? Mudaf. And the second is called the second annexed or genitive noun, that is mudaf ilayhi. Mudaf ilayhi. Both nouns are joined by a genitive construction. Number two, the declensive position of the first annexing noun keeps changing according to the situation. It can come in any of the three cases. The first annexing noun, mudaf, always takes the light. Light means it is always khafif. Write down, light means khafif. Light means khafif. The second annexed noun, mudaf ilayh, always comes in the genitive case. Genitive means majroor. It is always majroor. Ruqayya is very intelligent. Very intelligent. Okay. The words ayyun and kullun always come as mudaf, the first noun. The second annexed noun is the second genitive noun. The first genitive noun is the one that comes after the prepositions. Means this is the second wasta that makes majroor. I said there are two things that make any noun majroor. Number one, preposition. And they are, how many are in number?
17.
They are 17. 17 prepositions, so 17 huruf, jar. They make the noun majroor. What are they? Bi, ala, ila, min, an, fi. So they make the noun majroor. And second wasila is mudaf. Prepositions and mudaf, those are the two wasilas, those are the two things that make the nouns majroor. There is no third option. So whenever you see a noun majroor, it means either it must have harf jar or a mudaf. Is it clear? If you have any question, please ask. Any question? Any question? About murakkab idafi. Now, you see, if you understood this, then we go to the next lesson. Now, what I did, this slide, write down on the top of the next lesson, mubtada and khabar. Mubtada and khabar. Now, please look at the board.
Excuse me,
Yes.
I'm sorry, I just wanted to take a picture.
Okay, okay.
I'm very sorry.